William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor. Shakespeare is widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's preeminent dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and nicknamed the Bard of Avon. Expectation is the root of all heartache. We are such stuff as dreams are made on, and our little life is rounded with a sleep. The fault, dear Brutus, is not in our stars, but in ourselves. A friend is one that knows you as you are, understands where you have been, accepts what you have become, and still gently allows you to grow. The time of life is short. To spend that shortness basely were too long. Love all, trust few, do wrong to none. The very substance of the ambitious is merely the shadow of a dream. So dear, I love him that with him all that I could endure, without him live no life. Sleep dwell upon thine eyes, peace in thy breast. Would I were sleep and peace, so sweet to rest. She loved me for the dangers I had passed, and I loved her that she did pity them. It is a wise father that knows his own child. There are many things to appreciate about a beautiful friendship, especially when that friendship is turning to love. Our bodies are our gardens, our wills are our gardeners. Seeing that death, a necessary end, will come when it will come. Be great in act as you have been in thought. The stroke of death is as a lover's pinch, which hurts and is desired. Mind your speech a little less, you should mar your fortunes. Beauty itself doth of itself persuade the eyes of men without orator. Give sorrow words, the grief that does not speak knits up the o'er-wrought heart and bids it break. I do love nothing in the world so much as you. With mirth and laughter let old wrinkles come. Now cracks a noble heart, good night sweet prince, and flights of angels sing thee to thy rest. Everyone has their fate, and the more people try to avoid it, the more trouble they get into. Love me or hate me, both are in my favor. If you love me, I'll always be in your heart. If you hate me, I'll always be in your mind. Give every man thy ear, but few thy voice. What's in a name? That which we call a rose, by any other name would smell as sweet. They do not love that do not show their love. The course of true love never did run smooth. Love is familiar. Love is a devil. There is no evil angel but love. Love is a smoke made with the fume of sighs. Never play with the feelings of others, because you may win the game, but the risk is that you will surely lose the person for a lifetime. Life's but a walking shadow, a poor player that stoots and frets his hour upon the stage, and then is heard no more. It is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. I would challenge you to a battle of wits, but I see you are unarmed. Know more than other, work more than other, expect less than other. Be great in act as you have been in thought. If you can look into the seeds of time and say which grains will grow and which will not, speak then unto me. Let me be that I am and seek not to alter me. Hell is empty, and all the devils are here. You blocks, you stones, you worse than senseless things. My bounty is as boundless as the sea, my love as deep. The more I give to thee, the more I have, for both are infinite. Time is very slow for those who wait, very fast for those who are scared, very long for those who lament, very short for those who celebrate, but for those who love, time is eternal. Look like the innocent flower, but be the serpent under it.